You do not choose to ride in the rain. It happens. You're out, it starts to rain, it might have been raining for days, maybe you can't avoid riding, and at the end what you get is as you simply get soaking wet. And it's not such a big deal. You prefer different conditions. Honestly, landscapes, the mountains, the rivers, everything changes when it's raining. Even when you see the damage of the previous storms and you know it can get a bit more dangerous, it's still breathtaking to be there alone with the elements, and get to know a glimpse of nature. Ride in a different way. The roads are slippery and you have to be cautious with the throttle. Visibility can also be an issue, but the mountains are superb. And you surely leave your mark when you have a look at the beauty of it.